You are looking at Independence Hall in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It was here that the United States was born. We celebrate our nation's birthday each year on Independence Day. The date of our nation's birth was July 4th, 1776. On that day, leaders from the 13 colonies met in Independence Hall to approve the Declaration of Independence. This statement told the world that Americans had formed their own nation. They called the new country the United States of America. Americans fought a long war to win their independence. Great Britain finally agreed that Americans should govern themselves. But how would they do that? In 1787, some of the best thinkers in the nation met in Independence Hall to answer that question. They talked and argued for months. Then they wrote a new constitution, or plan of government for the country. We still live under that plan today. The United States Constitution is based on the idea of democracy. Under this plan of government, we, the people, choose our leaders. The Constitution also protects our rights. You have the right to say what you think. You may follow any religion you choose. You have the right to a fair trial. These and many others are rights that the Constitution provides and that Americans hold dear.